Welcome to Secret Beach on the island of Ambergris Caye, Belize. I have a special treat for you all. I will be interviewing Speedy, the manager of Secret Beach Waterpark Bar and Grill. They have so much to offer. Speedy is going to show us all the awesome amenities Secret Beach Waterpark has to offer. But before we meet him, I am going to show you where this place is located at Secret Beach from the water. So it starts here at the inflatables and it includes the pier and part of the other side of the pier and all that wonderful goodness of fun stuff right there in the water. And then there's the main building, the bar and the restaurant, the cabanas in the water, the beach, the store, the parking, and then it continues on to other bars and restaurants on Secret Beach. And it just continues all the way down. And it goes quite a ways. But so far, my favorite is Secret Beach Waterpark Bar and Grill. If you are going to Ambergris Caye, Belize, you have to stop at Secret Beach and go to Secret Beach Waterpark Bar and Grill. Look how beautiful it is. Well, enough with the introduction. Let's meet Speedy. Yes.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Waterpark Secret Beach. My name is Elio, but I got my nickname Speedy Gonzalez. So like you can see, guys, this is our spot here. We got all our parking lot this way. You guys can come and check us at the alleyway down to the right side to the last bar. So we got free parking and you can come and check us. We got the water park here. We got lounge chairs and this is our gift shop. You can see, guys. You can follow me. Let's see what we have right here.
She's taking something, I can do 70.
This is Sam.
Hi,
guy who,
come over guys and check it out.
you can see some carvings that he got over here.
Awesome. Beautiful.
Our gift shop.
Absolutely
What's up,
beautiful. I've bought
I'll
some.
have me keychain.
All right.
Hi.
I'm here with Miss Rachel. So I'm showing her how the spot look. We got the long chairs with cushion for free. We got a picnic table inside the water for free. You can see my friends over there. And we got the floaties for free too. You can use it. So we're heading to the bar right now. Nice and a beautiful spot. Nice view.
And then you also rent out.
Yeah, we rent the water park for $10 US an hour. You have to wear a life jacket. You can see our life jacket there. And we got a volleyball inside the water. That's for free. And then you can walk over here to the bar. We'll show you. We got a pool table for free too, guys. We got drinks, nice and dangerous, like I was saying.
Nice and dangerous. I like
We sell coffee too. This, my friend Nicho, is like my son. This is Sammy, the bartender. Who's the guy who's drinks, nice and dangerous. And that's Ian, the server too. So, at least lots of different kind of drink, guys. We got a VIPER shot, a big kitty rum.
As you can see, these right here are my famous bottles. I got Big Titty Rum, the Holy Cat, and I got the Liquid Viagra. I can make you any one of these drinks nice and dangerous.
Yes, and it is.
And then we come on the corner right here, we got some Tiburon mix. We got the white tip overproof, we got dark rum. This Tiburon, we got infused jalapeno as well, tequila. And we got mango flavored Tiburon as well. That's all the good stuff, right?
Absolutely.
You don't want to miss out.
We got a fresh pine. We can do like a drink inside a pineapple, nice and dangerous. Very amazing. Good, very nice.
Very good.
Jumping pineapple, bro.
Yeah, jumping
Yes.
pineapple.
Yeah, that's
We
how
got
we
the
do it.
coconut too, right? The fresh coconut water.
And
That's
so
right.
what's in there?
That's our liquid Viagra right here. It's overproof rum. So it has 3 snakes inside and 1 scorpion. So yeah. It keeps it going all
So one
night.
scorpion, one
Coral
coral,
and 2
snake,
boa.
and 2 boas.
Yes, ma'am.
Ugh.
That keeps it going all night. Happy hour.
Yeah.
Right.
And my husband and his brother took one of those shots, and it was
And Sammy too do the coconut Coco Loco.
Yeah, we can make you a drink of the coconut.
Oh, yeah, let's
we
do it.
cut the base cut it on soft. You can put a drink inside for you.
You want this?
Let me do it. Do it. Do it over here.
Coconut right now. Nice drink, like a pina colada for. Sammy doing his magic.
Doing his magic.
He will do like a coco loco. This is Belize.
You gotta make sure coconut got sit good, right? Then you feel it out.
He's Belize. Cheese Belize.
Right here, Belize, they say unbelievable.
Unbelievable. So do people order these very often?
Yeah, we sell a lot of coconut every day, especially with the drinks.
Where do you get them at? Where do you get the coconuts?
We get a coconut right here in the island.
So you gotta cut it open and put your drink for you inside.
Oh
We
yeah,
buy
I
them.
saw the water,
Yeah.
all the juice.
I need to try it. I'll put a shot for you. Coco Loco, man.
So what did you just do there? You put something in there?
No, man, I cut it open.
With what? What was that? Like a knife?
That's the meat right here. You wanna try the meat?
Oh yeah.
You wanna try it? That's for you.
Very good.
Cheese Belize, guys.
You guys are awesome. So what are you putting in there?
So that's just ice and coconut water.
We chill the
Ice
coconut
and
water.
coconut water.
Chill the coconut water.
Oh, you
Ice and
chill
Tastes
it.
better.
Ah.
It's really good.
So he just poured it and put it into the container and then chilled it and then poured it
Right
back.
here we call it ice and icy.
But is there any alcohol in there?
Oh man, it's all, just all coconut water.
Just all coconut water. Can you put alcohol in it?
If you want, yeah.
Wow.
Put some coconut rum.
That is
Just
awesome.
Like, yeah, drink some first. Here, drink some.
You need to drink some of
Yeah,
the
yeah,
water,
drink
my friend.
Oh.
Tree shell. Yes, the tree shell. Getting his fresh coconut
Look at
water.
it. Woo! Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. I love it.
So now we're walking to the deck.
Okay.
The deck is free for us too. You guys can come and chill here in the deck. Show you everything. Oh, we got a parasol too. We're walking to the deck side. It's free for our customers. And we got a place where they do spa too, like a massage.
Oh, massage.
Very
Ooh.
nice. And these the guys who do the parasailing, guys.
Parasailing.
Yeah, we got parasailing every day.
Hi.
This is the guy for the parasailing. So this is Kevin.
Hi, Kevin.
Hey, good morning, good afternoon. What's up, guys? Belize Parasailing Plus. Really nice place, Secret Beach.
Belize Parasailing Plus
And Secret Beach.
on
together,
Secret Beach. And you guys are
combined.
here every day?
We are here every day on the dock. This is my mate, Josh. Josh.
Hi, Josh.
Say Josh, hi. You come on.
How long are you guys here from what to what?
We're here recently, about say a month now, Mom.
No, I'm saying like as in time.
As in time, we're here like say from 10 in the morning till 5 in the evening.
Okay.
Daily basis, Sunday to Sunday. Right, guys? So come
So-
and parasail with us, guys, and Belize it, right?
Yeah. Secret Beach opens at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, we almost, majority of time we're open 9 o'clock.
9.
9.
Okay. But you guys are here at 10.
We're here.
Yeah.
so,
Yeah. Cool. Well,
right.
awesome. Yeah, I know there's a lot of people that like to do
Mom, we're
parasailing.
getting- You know, it's getting high legally, right? So
Yes, legally. Yes, absolutely.
Alright, guys. So we got a volleyball over there. You can see.
That's cool.
for free.
So is there a net or is it just that shallow?
That's not really shallow. Just a net
So
where you
there's
guys-
yeah, you're standing on
yeah,
the
yeah, of
ocean
course. And you
floor.
can play your
Okay.
volleyball.
That's
volleyball
neat.
there.
Love it.
You can see this is deck, guys. So these for free too. Long trip pushing for free. And I got a lifeguard too, watching your kids inside the water on the water park.
So there's a guy that watches
Yeah,
them, you
he's
said?
the lifeguard. He's watching the kids there.
So how much does it cost to do this?
It's $10 USD
$10?
for an hour. Yeah, they can run for 1 hour there, and they'll have a lot of fun there, man. And I got
Yeah.
a lifeguard watching the kids there again.
Well, we were here in April, and my kids went out there, and they loved it.
So now we'll show you guys that this is our spot here from our massages.
Oh,
guys.
it
This
looks
is our,
awesome.
one of my friends. She's Laura. And she's the one who
I'm
do
good.
she's magic.
meet you. I'm
No.
Laura.
I'm Rachel. Nice to meet you too.
She's the girl who's doing the magic.
Oh,
the
yeah.
spa.
Whenever you're ready for a massage, we'll be right here for you.
Absolutely.
You just already half an hour, 60 an hour, and you get a free foot scrub.
For 1 hour,
For 1 hour is 60 US.
60. Okay.
And this is my friend Lupita over here.
Hi, hon.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
I send a
Yeah,
lot of photos
it doesn't
for
get
the
much
massage.
better than this.
They like it.
Oh, yeah. Oh. And then you could put these down if you wanted to be private.
Privacy. The curtains, you can bring it down if you need some privacy.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Laura.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
I didn't know you had that out.
We have jet ski too, guys. We got jet ski. 60,
Oh.
60 USD an hour.
And they're rented right now?
Yeah, we rent it every time. 2 person can ride it. Jet ski.
How much did you say?
160 USD.
For an hour?
Yes, for
Okay.
1 hour. 2 people can ride in the jet ski.
Yeah, you got a nice setup here. That's for sure.
Also very
Beautiful. And you
Remember,
can sit in
guys,
the water. That's my favorite.
Remember, guys, you can sit down inside the water. Waiters serve you drinks or food inside the water. We got a free picnic table inside the water. We got a paddleboard. Everything here, too, guys. We got a paddleboard for rent. On the green board, you can see too. You can use it for $75 Belize an hour. Remember, the float is for free. You can use it like for the picnic table inside the water. You can use it for free. And we have pool table too. Pool table for free, guys.
Pool table.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, you do.
It's right there on that side. We'll show you right now.
Oh, yeah. That's awesome. Because I know a lot of people like pool. Restroom?
Step. That's the restroom for us.
Oh, yeah. Look at, oh, you have two of them. What's that one?
That's
This is pool, and then that one is.
the pool table too.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, we got 2 pool tables, guys. So whenever you want to play, you just say the word and we got it here. The next one.
Awesome.
Yeah. This is
Wow.
a section of our kitchen.
Oh, this is your kitchen?
Yeah, this is my kitchen.
Yeah, so when you order food, this is where it's coming from. And they have very,
Yeah,
very good food.
This is the chef here.
Hi, Chef.
This is Mr. Vic.
Mr. Vic?
He's the one who knows the secret and the magic in the food.
Yes,
So
and
he's
he
the
does
guy.
awesome. It is so good. Your cod fritters are awesome. I had 2 orders of them, and oh, they were good.
All right. My pleasure.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. You have a lot bigger place than any other place I've noticed here.
Oh yeah, we got upstairs here. We're going to see the sunset every evening at 5:30. We can go there, I can show you. There you can see the sunset like 5:30, 6 o'clock.
What's up here?
This is our view. A lot of people come and see the view from the
Oh,
sunset.
the view.
Yeah, from the sunset like 6 o'clock, 6:30 sometimes. A lot of people come here upstairs and they come and watch it.
I had no
Sunset.
idea that you had this up here. Oh, wow. Oh, this is awesome.
You can see everything here.
Wow. It's going to be hot on your feet.
Yeah.
You're used to
I
it.
don't used to it, correct. That's my flip-flop reef.
Yeah.
You got it open on the bottom. So this is our spot, guys. Secret Beach Water Park. We're located all the way down to the right side. Last bar. You can walk the beach, and you can park anywhere you guys want to just walk the beach to the last bar. We're located here at Water Park Secret Beach last bar. You can see beautiful spot. We have the deck for free, water park. It's $10 USD for hour. And the volleyball is for free, guys. So we got a picnic table inside the water with a floaty for free, guys. So come and enjoy us. Come and enjoy us the party. Remember, this is a bar where the drinks nice and dangerous.
And once again, the name.
Secret Beach Water Park.
There we
Last bar to the right side.
Love it. And this is our second day coming here, and we love it. I mean, let me see. You can see, look at those guys sitting down there, enjoying it. That's my favorite, sitting in the water. You could be here all day and the time just slips right by, and there's nothing better. Awesome. Oh, it's just gorgeous. So if you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe and hit the little bell to notify you when we have new videos out. It really helps our channel so we can bring more of this stuff to you in the future. Thanks for watching.